everybody, it's Ashley here from Let's Talk Porsche. This week's tech tip is going to be how to connect Android Auto up in your Porsche. So now that we're in the car, we're going to connect up our phone. So to do that, you either click onto Devices on the main screen, or you can click onto LTE from whatever screen you are in the car. As you can see, there's no phone connected up at the moment. I'm going to click Connect to New Devices, and we're going to select Android Auto. Now this is going to search for us now. It needs your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth on your phone to be on the phone you're trying to connect. So I've just turned that on now, and as you can see, Ashley's Pixel has come up ready to select. Once you've selected it, it's then going to ask you to pair the codes, so making sure that both those codes match. I'm also going to click Allow Access to Contacts and Call History and click Pair on the phone. That's now thinking about it now. Fantastic. So Ashley's Pixel is all connected. To use Android Auto, I'm going to click onto Yes. And that's now going to bring up a welcome to Android Auto. Fantastic. That's all connected up. So now I can listen to my Spotify. I've got my Google Maps there ready to go, as well as the Google Voice Assistant. So that's how to set up Android Auto in your Porsche. Follow along for more tech tips.